Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing good in your life and you all are healthy and happy. And as we all know, शादियों का सीजन चल रहा है. So आज की क्लास भी हमारी एक शादी के ही कॉन्वर्सेशन के बीच में है. जैसे आप इमेज से देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे एक बॉय और एक गर्ल है. तो बॉय एंड गर्ल का सीन ये है कि जो लड़के वाले हैं वो पहली बार लड़की के घर आए हैं, उनसे लड़की को देखने के लिए, उसकी फैमिली से बातचीत करने के लिए. I hope the background is clear to you all. And one more thing, I will not read the Hindi dialogues. I will read only English dialogues, because if you listen more in English, then you will be able to understand. शुरुआत में आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी, बट धीरे धीरे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स. But still, if you are having any problem in understanding, in comprehending the English, then you can do one thing. The Hindi portion is also provided in the PPT. You can read out those dialogues. Okay. So now let's start the class. The picture is very good. The expressions are very nice, right? तो अब यहाँ पे हमारा बैकग्राउंड ये है कि मिस्टर एंड मिसेस शर्मा पहली बार उनके घर आए हैं. किसके घर पे? रविंद्र भारद्वाज के. तो मिस्टर एंड मिसेस Sharma have come with their daughter Kirti and Sanraj to meet the Sakshi, the daughter of Ravindra Bharadwaj. तो अब वो पहली बार घर आए हैं, तो आप कभी भी किसी के घर जाते हैं तो नमस्कार होता ही है. सो मिस्टर शर्मा, he says good evening Mr. Bharadwaj. Now what will Bharadwaj say? He'll say good evening Mr. Sharma, welcome, please come in. Okay, so next scene, Mrs. Bharadwaj, she says namaskar, please have a seat, please have a seat. Now everybody sit down. And now Mrs. Sharma says meet my daughter Kirti and my son Sumit. तो उन्होंने अपने बेटे और अपनी बेटी का इंट्रोडक्शन बाकी सारे लोगों के सामने करवाया. तो मिसेस शर्मा ने क्या बोला? मीट माई डॉटर कीर्ति एंड माई सन सुमित. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ कीर्ति एंड सुमित डिड टुगेदर, दे सेड नमस्ते अंकल एंड आंटी, नमस्ते अंकल एंड आंटी. So now Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, definitely if anybody will say namaste to you, then you will give blessings. So Mr. and Mrs. Sharma also gave blessing, and that is they said always be happy and have a successful life. Always be happy and have a successful life. Next, the conversation was going on, and in that period only servant brings some cold and snacks. Is it clear? So now Mrs. Bharadwaj says, please everybody have something. Have something. So I hope the conversations आपको समझ में आ रही है. Now Mrs. Sharma says, how is everything going on Mrs. Bharadwaj? How is everything going on Mrs. Bharadwaj? तो Mrs. Bharadwaj ने अपना जवाब दिया, by God's grace everything is all right. By God's grace everything is all right. And now Mrs. Sharma asked, what is Sakshi doing these days? What is Sakshi doing these days? So now Mrs. Bharadwaj replied, she said she has taken MA final year exam. Now you may doubt कि मैम टेकन तो मतलब उसने अपना पेपर दिया है, तो फिर यहाँ पे आपने टेकन शब्द क्यों लगाया है? एक्चुअली बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो हमारी प्रचलित होती हैं बट गलत होती हैं, बट फिर सब लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हम उसी गलत को भी सही मान लेते हैं. इसमें क्या है कि जब एग्ज़ाम, आप जो एज अ स्टूडेंट में बात करूँ तो हम एग्ज़ाम को देते हैं, हमको दिया, ठीक है. सो और टीचर्स एग्ज़ाम लेते हैं, ठीक है. तो शी हैज़ टेकन MA फाइनल ईयर एग्ज़ाम. So now next thing is Mrs. Sharma, oh that's great, or that's good to know, that's good to know. So now Mrs. Sharma again says, where is Sakshi? We are eager to meet her. Now definitely they all have come to meet Sakshi, and definitely they all want to meet her, and they all are so eager to meet her. So Mrs. Sharma said, where is Sakshi? We all are eager to meet her. So Srimati मतलब Mrs. Bharadwaj answered, just give me a minute, I'll come with her. Just give me a minute, I will come with her. Okay. Now Sakshi, in that period, in those few minutes, Mrs. Bharadwaj come with her daughter Sakshi, and Sakshi definitely come, and then she will greet everybody. she says namaste. So now Shri मतलब आपके Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, they replied and they gave their blessings to the daughter. They said, always be happy and healthy, always be happy and healthy. And now Mrs. Sharma said, please beta, come beta and sit by me. Sit by me means मेरे बगल में आके बैठो. Sit by me means मेरे बगल में आके बैठो. Now Kirti, as you all know, Kirti is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. So Kirti says, you are looking so pretty. You are looking so pretty. So definitely if anybody compliments you, you will say thank you so much, as the same thing Sakshi does. So she says thank you. So now Mrs. Sharma, so beta, what are you doing these days? So now she is asking, what are you doing these days? So now Sakshi answered, recently I have joined short course in interior designing. As you all know, her final year exams are over and now she has taken classes. She has enrolled for the interior designing. Okay, so the next part is Mrs. Sharma, oh that's so great, and what else do you like? That's so great, और तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? So now Sakshi replied, I like reading books and designing home. I like reading books and designing home. So in that period, now Kirti asked, at present time, which book are you reading? At present time, which book are you reading? So now Sakshi said, an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, The Wings of Fire. So she replied, an autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam, The Wings of Fire. Now Kirti says, oh that's so good. Now that's so good, this is for her. Sakshi's answer, like she is reading APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography, and then again Kirti says, mom, I think we should give some time for Sakshi and Bhai to talk to each other. So Kirti suggests everybody that they should give some time for Sakshi and her brother to talk to each other. And now Srimati मतलब Mrs. Sharma says, oh that's so good, या फिर that's a great idea or good idea. So now Mrs. Bharadwaj, okay now let's go outside. Now definitely if you want girl and boy to talk to each other, then all the family members have to go outside. So Mrs. Bharadwaj says, okay let's go outside. Now everybody goes outside. Now now only boy and girl is alone in the room. So now there is a conversation between boy Sumit and girl Sakshi. So Sumit says, hello Sakshi. Definitely Sakshi will say hello, right? And now Sumit asked with hesitation, what are the qualities that you want in your future husband? I think this is the question that every boy wants to know from her, from his future wife. What qualities does that girl want in her husband? So what are the qualities that you want in your future husband? So now girl also says, she says, he should be loving, caring, understanding and futuristic. He should be means my future husband should be loving, caring, understanding and futuristic. And Sumit says, oh that's great, I met your expectations. So आप देख सकते हैं लड़का हमारा फिसल गया. Okay, so boy says, oh that's great, I met your expectations. तो ये indirect hint है लड़की की तरफ कि I like you. Okay, so now Sakshi says, and what do you want from your wife? What do you want from your wife? Absolutely, girl also want to know. So the Sumit answered, before wife I want her to be my best friend. He said, before wife मतलब मेरी पत्नी होने से पहले I want her to be my best friend and she should treat my parents as hers. Means I want कि वो मेरी best friend हो और मेरे parents को उतना वैसे ही treat करे जैसे वो अपने parents को करती है. Okay, so now Sakshi says okay. अब और लड़की क्या बोलेगी, ठीक है? तो Sumit says, do you want to work after marriage? He asked, do you want to work after marriage? So Sakshi replied, that depends on my in-laws and the circumstances. The word should be that depends on my in-laws and the circumstances after marriage. Means तो जैसे उसने पूछा कि do you want to work after marriage, कि आप शादी के बाद काम करना चाहते हैं, and definitely a sensible girl give a more sensible answer. It should not be so arrogant. तो द गर्ल आंसर कि ये चीज़ मेरे इन लॉज के ऊपर और मेरी शादी के बाद के सर्कमस्टांसेस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. बट प्लीज़ आई डोंट मीन कि गर्ल्स को काम नहीं करना चाहिए. आई एम वर्किंग एंड एवरी गर्ल शुड वर्क. तो ठीक है, बट थोड़ा सा पोलाइट हमें रहना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट चीज इज, नेक्स्ट क्या होता है कि नाउ ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर्स कम इनसाइड. तो भाई गर्ल एंड बॉय के बीच में थोड़ी सी बातचीत हुई है. मिसेस, ठीक है, तो all the family members come inside. Now Mrs. Sharma, you have a great house. तो Mrs. Sharma कहती हैं you have a great house, and Mrs. Bharadwaj says thank you so much, thank you so much. Now Mrs. Bharadwaj says please have another cup of tea or something, please have another cup of tea or something. So now Mrs. Sharma says नो थैंक यू सो मच बट आई थिंक वी शुड मेक अ मूव नाउ. मीन्स अब मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, अब हमें चलना चाहिए. तो नाउ मिस्टर शर्मा ऑल्सो सेज ओके नाउ लेट्स गो, चलिए अब चलते हैं. नाउ श्रीमती मिसेस भारद्वाज सेज होप टू सी यू ऑल सून, होप टू सी यू ऑल सून मीन्स उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम आपको दोबारा से मिलेंगे. एंड द मिसेस शर्मा सेज डेफिनेटली एंड आई होप यू हैव माई नंबर, आई होप यू हैव माई number. So now Mr. Sharma definitely, Mrs. Sharma ये line हमारी हो गई थी वहाँ पे, right? Mrs. Sharma says definitely and I hope you have my number. So now Mrs. Bharadwaj says yes I have. And Kirti, now the Kirti and Sumit say namaste to everyone. Okay, and Sakshi also says namaste to each and everyone, means the parents of Sumit and Sakshi and Sumit both. Now I hope with this everybody like Sumit and his family left the place, and with this the conversation between their family and these two persons ends here. So I hope you people enjoy this conversation. You have learned something from this conversation. You know, conversation, why conversation is required? Because it will give you idea. Like you don't need to mug up each and every sentence. आपको यहाँ पे हर एक sentence को रटने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But जैसे जैसे ideas आपके पास में रहेंगे, okay, we can use this sentence. जैसे हम लोग ट्रांसलेशन करते हैं तो जब हमारे पास ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी तो ट्रांसलेशन का टाइम ऑटोमेटिकली डिक्रीज होने लगेगा. दैट्स वाई दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन डेफिनेटली प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल इन इम्प्रूविंग आवर स्पोकन पार्ट. तो डेफिनेटली आप इस चीज़ को 2-3 बार आप लगातार देखिए एंड यू लर्न सेंटेंसेस एंड ऑटोमेटिकली फिर वो चीज़ें आपके ब्रेन में फ्रेम होने लगेगी. एंड आई होप कि अगर आपको क्लास पसंद आई है, आपको कुछ यहाँ से सीखा है, तो प्लीज़ subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Thank you so much.